Good.
Are you talking about me?
Welcome back, Finn.
Bro, thank you, bro.
So remember, this is our first break of structure, right? And this is the second one here also. Hmm? This is the second one here also, right? This is the second one. So now this is our pullback, right? Mind you, we don't have any other block resting here or any fair value gap. Hmm? So now what we are anticipating is for the market to come back here. Huh? Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Market to come back here, and after the market has come back here, we will either look for a change of character using either bullish candlestick or morning star. You get that? Any change of character on that same time frame. You don't need to go to any other time frame. So now looking at it now, before market actually sweep this low, what are you seeing right here? You are seeing a bullish engulfing, Abi.
Engulfing.
Yeah, good.
Engulfing and now
What do you say? Engulfing
a
and
bullish engulfing that engulfs Panama.
Exactly. So that indicates that the market is going to start buying from there. So now basically I didn't see it on time, right? I didn't see it on time. Then at the end of the day, I think about a few minutes after, I saw it and I just execute my trade immediately. So after I execute my trade immediately, I made sure my stop loss was below very, very well, because I know that in a case like this, there's a high chance manipulation is going to happen, which actually happened, right?
Yeah.
Manipulation actually happened. But now look at this. Now let's go to the lower time frame. You know, I said there are two ways you can handle this, either using candlestick confirmation or using another double break of structure again.
Yeah.
Good. So it is that double break of structure that caused this manipulation to happen. The double break of structure that happened around this side, it was one that caused this manipulation to happen. So let's go to 1 minute time frame to spot out our double break of structure. No manipulation, Jerry. Accumulation. Yeah, I think it was accumulation that happened there. It was accumulation. Manipulation is the overall, because I think if you use, hold on, let me check line chart to see if, look at line charts. You can see line chart did not sweep that point of invalidation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the normal candlestick trap. So now let me explain why that happened. It is accumulation that actually happened there. So now let's go to 1 minute time frame. And please, mind you, I feel like this though I don't know, I'm not so sure, but this misconception of accumulation, manipulation, distribution of a thing, though with the method I'm using, I don't think it works with session. Because if you should look at this, I think it works with session. I'm not so sure. But let's continue either ways. So now if you should look at this, we have a double break of structure here in that, right? With the 1 minute time frame. With the 1 minute time frame. So we have the first break of structure here.
Low, high, low. Break of structure 1, break of structure 2. It's pulled back into this and then it's rally.
Exactly. So we have the first break of structure here. And then we have what? We have the second one here.
Second break of structure.
We have the second one here, right?
Yeah.
Good. So now I haven't seen that. What are we going to wait for next? We should wait for our pullback, Abby.
Yes.
Good. So this is our pullback. Okay, this is 1 minute time frame. Wait. Where is it at? Oh yeah. Sorry guys. Start looking at there's something wrong. So now this is break of structure 1. This one right here is break of structure 1.
Yeah.
Exactly. So this is break of structure 2, and this is our pullback, right? This one is our pullback.
Yeah.
We should notice
There's
another block here. If you can zoom in your camera very well, there is a tiny fair value gap that has not been filled. I'm busy my eyes. Yeah, good. So that is the reason why it is good when you use a large screen. Can you guys see the tiny fair value gap?
Yeah.
So people that say that there's nothing like tiny, fair value gap is fair value gap. Oh. So there's nothing like tying in this one. Fair value gap is fair value gap, I beg. So now basically on this particular order, I was just like, oh, my second entry will be on this fair value gap. So now, mind you, markets came to eat the SL like straight up, even after giving you confirmation and everything. Markets came to eat the SL, right? This will be the SL of this new trade. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
So markets came to eat the SL, and then this will be the TP, because this is the point at which the reversal happen. Back to the order block zone. So this will be your TP, right? So market came to eat the SL, and then what happened again? SL then straight to TP. So now what helped me on this particular day is placing my distance below very well. That is why it is always good when you listen to your instincts. On this particular, I was just like, go, let me just place my SL below very well, because all of this shit that is happening on EU, there's high chances accumulation or either manipulation would happen, and the both of them actually happened. So now market did the SL, right, the point of invalidation, and then went back up to hit our TP1, which is this one. So now after market hit our TP1, what happened? What do you guys notice? You can see a pullback. This one right here.
Yeah.
Good. So even if you get stopped out on this one, let's say you use a tight stop loss and you get stopped out on this one, market is still going to give you another opportunity. You don't need to push it, you don't even need to chase it. And if it did not give you opportunity, it is lesson learned and you move on to the next, right? So market gave us a pullback, and then what happened? Market came back up after giving us a pullback, right? Market came back down to what? Tap this other block. This one here. Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Good. And then what happened after that? Market started buying. You can see. Now, in a case like this will be our new SL. This one right here will be our new SL. Can you see that?
Yes.
Good. So basically, all these things is not about it's not about time frame. I would not lie. It's not about time frame. It's basically about knowing how the market works. Like I always say, for there to be 1 minute time frame, for there to be 2 minutes, then basically they have their own purpose. So just understand how the market works and use it to your own advantage. Chicken, it is not even that at all. So can you see that? So market started buying from here, and then it keeps buying. You can see that now.
Yeah.
Good. So now the same accumulation that happened here is the same thing that happened on the 5-minute time frame. Mind you, remember all these one were coming from the 5-minute time frame, right? They were all coming from the 5-minute time frame, Abby.
Yes.
So now let's go to the 5-minute time frame back. So now on the 5-minute time frame, this will be our TP. Remember, this particular line is our point of invalidation, right? Which is supposed to be our stop loss level, Abby.
Yes.
Yeah.
This will be our TP. This will be our TP, right?
Yeah.
Abby.
Yes.
Good. So immediately market hits this TP. What did I do next? I waited for a pullback again, because why? Market has swept it has swept a lot of people out here, which is our point of invalidation. It swept it out and went back to hit our TP. So now what are we going to wait for next again? Another pullback, then we mark out our other block, then we take the trade again. Repetition. So it's just basically repeating things. It is that simple. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Now this is our pullback here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Exactly.
It came to the other block.
Exactly. Came to the other block. Now, do you see me buy immediately? No.
No.
Waited for confirmation.
No.
Again, because markets can either come to this other block, or come to this one below, or come to this one below. You don't know. There's a lot of POI there.
Mr. Tona,
Yeah.
I think there's also a FDG at that other block side.
Yeah. There's a fair value gap there also. So, like I will always say, so you will need to just wait for confirmation, because market can disrespect this and just use the one below. So I waited for confirmation, and mind you, there's no rushing things here. You don't even need to rush things. for real, because if you can know where the market is heading to, where it is going to, like your stop loss, your take profit, your realistic stop loss and take profit, then you are good to go. Now look at mind you, now a lot of people would have rushed this. Let's say people that use price action now, and they will be like bullish engulfing, and then the market is about to hit their TP, and they will move stop loss to break even, and they will just get stopped out
It's being
moving that, and they'll be like, go market, market. Do you get that?
Man.
So there will be pain. So
Let me go got this guy the point too.
so if you should know all of that, you would not be scared to take some actions. So basically, this was 3 pips SL on EU. So I took it, putting my SL below, and as you can see, I didn't even say because my SL is giving me tight stop loss. I still make sure I like push it down very well, because I know manipulation can still happen. So it's something
Yeah,
to
true.
run away for. Exactly. So now, mind you, this will be our TP1, Abby. This one right here will be our TP1. The point of reversal will be our TP1, and this second will be our TP2, right? So basically, that is how it works. I took the second trade, and now up to this third one also. So now this third one also, the same thing repeated itself. So let's go to 1 hour. So now going to 1 hour again also, we have a break of structure here. We have another one here. We have another one here. So this one is going to serve as our inducement, where we are going to mark out another block here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Good. So there's nothing like small fair value gap, big fair value gap. Fair value gap is fair value gap. So market cleared the fair value gap, tapped into the other block. Now other block, I think there's a misconception about this other block of a thing. Some people say black can't do this and that. What I just want to look for is 3 consecutive candle, and I want to make sure there is fair value gap in between. I don't want to care if the candle below is either black or white or red.
No, regardless of the color, it's not about color.
Exactly,
The
but
structure.
there's a misconception about that it is about color. I don't know.
No.
So there's a lot.
Say for
If you should,
for prices where they sell, so we know they still green for there.
So basically that's just it. So now market tapped into my other block. I waited for confirmation again, and I took this. The same pattern repeating itself. So basically, this is my all I take profit. So you can see it is very, very simple.
Yeah.
So far you have the knowledge, you are good to go.
Yeah, just like what you said, the knowledge is the most important part. Then
Exactly.
everything starts to make sense.
Exactly.
Like
Pastor, is this still here? Pastor,
I'm here.
do you remember there was it? Now, if you should look at the calculation of all this one is 1:9. This one is 1:18. Why this one is 1:4?
Let me show.
The second one is 1:18. Why this one is 1:1:4?
Wow. Did you actually use all these stop loss? Like how this stop loss looks like? Did you actually use it like this?
Egbamike. Why?
I'm just asking. It's a question. Because
Of course.
me, like a 15 minutes, I actually use 5 minutes. So, you can millennium stop loss fine, you know.
I use
Things
it
like
right.
this.
I use this very well. Here's the thing: the first time you come across things like this, you will get scared. Then if
Yes,
you will not be like, I'm going to do.
see, bro, this thing you're talking about. Do you remember the last class you had me and Chooks? Like, it was from that page that I learned that your 1 minute confirmation. And it's ever since that time that I've been getting most of the trades I take is from it I get my setups. And I get nothing less than 1:10, 1:13. And it really works really well. And it gives confidence too.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, please repeat yourself, please.
I said that this thing you are teaching, it was from the last class that you had me and Chooks that I learned it, this 1 minute entry confirmation. I said that, and that's what I've been using most of the time on like gold and the rest. And it gives like confidence and tight stop loss too.
Good. And you've been making money ever since then, like really well, right?
Yes, now, honestly, especially on gold.
Sharp, 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 sharp. That's pretty good. You just have to get the knowledge. Once you have the knowledge, the rest na less.
Yeah,
For real.
yeah,
The rest na less. So basically that's just it. You will do it scared, do it rough, just get your things right. And journaling is very, very important also. Most of these things that I
yeah,
Very
explained
important.
now, even despite the fact that I have previous journal on movement like this, I will still journal this one down.
yeah.
I've journaled this. I have not yet journaled the second two, the second and third entries.
Entry.
Not the first one. So basically, that is how it is. Just journal, keep journaling because every day you will learn new things. If you think you've known it all now, just wait for that day that
Yeah,
you will see something new again.
yeah,
So basically, that just make sure you observe things very well. You reanalyze the chart. The more you spend time with the chart, the better you get to know about the chart.
yeah.
So basically, it is no magic.
Yeah, and I also believe something like if you keep back testing and journaling on like the wrong strategy or something, like you will never get it right until like you get the real information, like what actually works.
I don't
Then you
get that.
cannot get better.
I don't get that.
It, like if you are using something that doesn't work, no matter how much you keep trying, you just keep feeling until you get the right information and keep getting better at it.
Exactly. That's just
Like there were some misconceptions I had before that last class you had with us. That after that class, I understood so many things, which really helped me a lot.
yeah.
So which helped me get a lot more better.
That's good for you. I'm very very happy for you. Now
Yeah,
you know
thanks, bro.
both now. Island boy.
Me?